In this lecture, we will review views and filters. Views allow you to set up different view of the data and reports. You can provide a different view for each of the stakeholder or business unit. New view only includes the data from the date the view was created and onwards. It will not include any past data. If any data has already been collected in your analytics property, that won't be included in this view. If you delete a view, the administrator can recover that view within 35 days from the trash can feature. If the view is not recovered within that time frame, it is permanently deleted. You can use filters within each view to determine what data will be available in that view. The order in which filters are applied in your view settings matter because they filter the data in that order, so keep that in mind. Filters work from the day they get applied. Historical data is not impacted and stays the same. Using filters, you can include the data that you want, you can exclude the data that you don't want, and you can even change the data on how it looks in your reports. Filters are created by going to the admin panel and selecting the view where you want to create the filter. Click on filters, and this is where you start to create your filter. There are two types of filters available: predefined and custom. Using predefined filters, you can exclude or include traffic from ISP domain, IP address, traffic to a particular subdirectory, or traffic to a host name. Then you can pick your expression that you want to use for that filter. Custom filter allows you to exclude, include, convert something to a lowercase or uppercase, search and replace data in a hit, or use more complex expression in advanced filter. To set up the required filter criteria, you use regular expressions, also called regex. The order in which you apply the filters determine the data that you will see. You can change this order by going to Assign Filter Order in the admin panel. This is where you can decide which filter gets applied first and then the following filters. Also, you can apply existing filters from other views to this view. However, keep in mind, if you change the filter criteria, then that will be applied to all the views that use that filter. When applying filters to the views, keep these best practices in mind. Always keep a raw view of the data. This ensures you can always have access to original data. Think about the order of the filters as they impact what you see in your reports. Always create a test view to test and verify filters before you make them live.